Welcome to my channel. 3 years after I replaced my condenser into my 2001 Nissan Frontier, I finally have to add some refrigerant into my system. If you're interested in buying something similar, I will leave link in the description so that you can go to the website and purchase it straight from there. One of the first things that you have to do when you're adding refrigerant to your system is located the low pressure. This is the high one, but don't worry if you're not sure which one is which. The line is not gonna connect to the high one no matter what you do. So let's look for the low pressure line. My low pressure line is located right here, so I'm gonna undo it and put the cap aside for now. Now let's go start the vehicle. Now just start your vehicle, put it on high, make sure the AC is turned on, and put it on cold. Before you connect the refrigerant to the car system, make sure you give it a good shake to mix up the ingredient and the can. Now let's connect the line. To connect is pretty easy. You just pull the step back, push it in and let it go. Let's give it a try. Pull it back, push it in and let it go. It's in pretty solid now. Now the next thing you're gonna have to do is match your area temperature. As you can see, they have temperature rated 65 to 110. And my area right now is about 80 degrees, so I'm gonna put it right there. And this is how much refrigerant you're gonna have to put in the car. You're gonna press the knob for 10 seconds, and while you're pressing it, you're gonna shake it a little bit and make sure you check every once in a while to make sure that you do not go over the amount. All right, let's get it done. We're getting closer. The closer you get, the shorter you have to do it so that you don't go over the amount. Let's check inside of the car. Oh yeah, it's already getting colder. This is gonna be nice for the hot summer day now. I wanna put a little more. And as you're doing this, the can gonna get cold. Don't worry about that, it's normal. Alright, did just check the temperature inside again, and it's nice and cool now. So I'm gonna disconnect the line. Make sure you wear gloves to do this. As you can see, a little did fly out. Watch out. Don't forget to put your cap back on. Again, I'll leave link in the description of something similar that you can buy. Go to the description to purchase it. Now my AC is back on. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have any question about my 2001 Nissan Frontier, leave it in the description. I really appreciate you coming to my channel. Have a good one.